नमो नमः। कथं भवन्ति पदानि द्वितीयो भागः प्रक्रिया प्रसंगाः प्रक्रिया प्रारूपं च व्हेन एंड हाउ आउटलाइन ऑफ प्रक्रिया। A study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Saturday, October 17th, 2020. In the adjoining diagram about Katham Bhavanti Padani, there are 9 numbered red arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. For 9 Prakriya Prasangaha, instances of Prakriyas. Prakriyas, processes by which Padani get formed. The third legend box in the top right hand corner is about Navaprasangeshu Prakriya, which are denoted by numbered red arrows. Tadhita Pratyayaha affix to Pratipadikani and generate new Pratipadikani. This involves processes Prakriyaha. See red arrow number 1. Next, Supaha, green box, affix to Pratipadikani to generate Subantaha. This involves processes Prakriyaha. See red arrow number 3. Then Krutaha, that is Krut Pratyayaha, affix to Dhatavaha to generate Krudantaha. This involves processes Prakriyaha. See red arrow number 6. Tingaha, that is Ting Pratyayaha, affix to Dhatavaha to generate Tingantaha. This involves processes Prakriyaha. See red arrow number 7. Then 5. Sanadayaha, also affix to Dhatavaha to generate Atidesha Dhatavaha. This involves processes Prakriyaha. See red arrow number 8. Then types of Sanadayaha, Atidesha Dhatavaha is mentioned as 12, which includes a type as Namadhatavaha. Actually, these Namadhatavaha are obtained from Pratipadikani. Hence, there is a curved red arrow, number 9, about Prakriyaha, number 9, for processes of how Namadhatavaha are generated. In the diagram, there are 3 brown boxes for Avyayani, Subantaha, Tigantaha. Of these, Avyayani are either Mulapadani or the Krudantaha, Tvantaha, Lebantaha, Tumantaha or Nulantaha, which are shown in the bottom line, in the bottom box. And they become Avyayani. So their arrow is laid back to that brown box Avyayani. Subantaha, the second brown box, are Pratipadikani plus Supaha, and Tigantaha are Dhatavaha plus Tingaha. Except Avyayani, all other Padani in a Sanskrit sentence are either Pradiyutam Subantam, Pradivirahitam Subantam, or Sopasarga Tigantam or Upasarga Rahitam Tigantam. Note, Pradiyutam Subantam is equal to Pradayaha plus Pratipadikam plus Supratyaya, and Sopasarga Tigantam is Upasargaha plus Dhatuhu plus Ting Pratyaya. Note, Pradayaha or Upasargaha can be Prayuktaha attached, prefixed with pratipadikam or dhatu, that too ekaikashaha, samuyhava, or can be aprayuktaha, especially in Vedic texts. Note, prakriyaah comprise of lopaha and or adeshaha and or agamaha. There again, adeshe varnantaram yatha samhitasu. Adesh means what? The varna changes, is replaced, is substituted by another varna. So another varna takes over. For example, Ramaha, Pullingam Prathamaikvachanam of Rama, is Pratipadikam Rama plus Supratyaya Sung, which suffix has only S. So it is first Rama plus Sa, Ramas, but Ramas changes, that is suffers an Adeshaha as Ramaha, that is Sa becomes Visarga. Now Prakriya of Viramaha is identical, except that Viramaha has Pradiyutam Subantam. Also Supratyaya Sung suffixes only as Sa, because out of Sung, Sa plus Ung suffers Lopaha. We will discuss this a little further and a little more in detail. Let us study Prakriyaha in Padasiddhi of Ramaha, Pullingam Prathamaikvachanam of Rama. Pratipadikam Rama remains Rama because no lopaha Pratipadikantasya, Panini Sutram 8-2-7. Supratyaya of Prathamaikvachanam is Su from Saujasamaukshashtabhyambhyas Gnebhyambhyas Ngasibhyambhyas Ngaso Sam Nyo Sup, Panini Sutram 4-1-2. U of Su, Sa plus U, suffers lopaha by Upadeshe Janamnunasika It, Panini Sutram 1-3-2, identifies U to be It. Tasya lopaha 1-3-9 causes elision of U. So what is left of Su is U goes away, Sa. Now Sa becomes a Visarga, which is Adesha by Sasajusho Ruhu 8-66, which causes Sa to suffer Adesha as R. And then Kharabasanayor Visarjaniyaha 8-3-15 causes R to suffer further Adesha as Visarjaniya. The Padasiddhi of Prathamaikvachanam of Rama is Rama plus Su, then Rama plus Sa, then Rama plus R, then Ramaha. Viramaha just has Pradihi V prefix. Every word, Padam, in a Sanskrit sentence thus has Padasiddhi. And Padasiddhi involves Prakriyaha comprising Lopaha, Adeshaha, Agamaha. Let us study Prakriyaha in Padasiddhi of Vanam. Napusakalingam Prathamaikvachanam of Vana. Pratipadikam Vana remains Vana because na lopaha Pratipadikantasya, Panini Sutram 8-2-7. Then Supratyaya Prathamaikvachanam is Su from Saujasamaukshashtabhyambhyas Gnebhyambhyas Ngasibhyambhyas Ngaso Sam Gyo Sup, Panini Sutram 4-1-2. What we have is Vana plus Su. Note first Su becomes by Angasya 6-4-1, Swamor Napusakat 7-1-23, Atom 7-1-24. So 1 plus Su is 1 plus which should become Vanam. But Vana is 1 plus a. Hence, what we have is 1 plus a plus By संहितायाम 6172 एकः पूर्वपरयोः 6184 अकः 61101 अमिपूर्वः 61107 all in all संहिता of 1 plus a plus becomes vanam and not vanam. As is obvious, the prakriya involved are from two sets of 3 plus 4 sutrani. 3 sutrani angasya swamor napusakat atom, and then संहितायाम एक पूर्वपरयोः akah amipurvaha. And of course, before that, the other sutra are also of course there, like na lopaha pratipadikant tasya 827, and then saujasamokshashtabhyam bhisgebhyam bhisgasibhyam bhis gyos gyasos sam gyosup 412. So many sutras are involved, which make the entire process like a chemical process. From the two examples, we get an outline, the prakriya prarupam of how prakriyaha work. Every word, padam, in a Sanskrit sentence thus has padasiddhi, must have padasiddhi. Padasiddhi involves prakriyaha comprising lopaha, adeshaha, agamaha, as dictated by applicable sutrani. As can be noted, in padasiddhi, there is interaction between antyavarnaha of pratipadikam or dhatuhu and adivarnaha of pratyaya. So pratipadikani, also dhatavaha, have to be sorted, studied by their antyavarnaha. The alphabetical indexing and ordering is from the adivarnaha, whereas here pratipadikani or dhatavaha have to be sorted and studied by their antyavarnaha. And as can be noted from examples of Rama and Vana, gender, lingam of pratipadikam also influences padasiddhi prakriya. That is the logic of shanlinga vicharaha of subantaha. Shanlinga. First, ajanta pullinga pratipadikani, ajanta napusakalinga pratipadikani, ajanta strilinga pratipadikani, then halanta pullinga pratipadikani, halanta napusakalinga pratipadikani, halanta strilinga pratipadikani. The crux of the matter is to be able to apply the appropriate sutrani. For that, one needs to know almost all the sutrani. Should everyone study Sanskrit in this manner? I think rote learning is simpler option. Many people are said to be automating the processes as good as artificial intelligence. One can surmise the software will seek input of pratipadikam, lingam, vibhaktihi, vachanam, and then it will output the subantam. Or it will seek input of subantam and will output pratipadikam, lingam, vibhaktihi, vachanam. When one is studying a Sanskrit text, what one has are subantaha. For knowing their meanings, dictionaries cannot be useful because no dictionary can give meanings of millions of subantaha. In dictionaries, one gets meanings mostly of pratipadikam. The software mode of input of subantam and then output of pratipadikam, lingam, vibhaktihi, vachanam will be more useful. Although I have taken examples of dve pratipadike and their prathamaik vachana subante, the prakriya prarupam will be similar. That is dhatuhu plus ting pratyaya tigantam with appropriate sutrani guiding the prakriya. Also, dhatuhu plus krit pratyaya is equal to krudantam. Note, when prefixing pradayah or upasargaha, the prakriya prarupam is pradihi or upasargaha plus subantam, krudantam or tigantam. The prakriya prarupam is not pradihi plus upasargaha plus pratipadikam or dhatu. For example, akarot is tigantam of kru अष्टमगणीयः उभयपदी तत्र परस्मैपदी लङ्लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. With B plus A as upasargau, the tigantam becomes B plus A plus akarot, not V plus A plus kru and then further. B plus A plus akarot. You obtain the tigantam first, akarot, and then put in B plus A, prefix them. So B plus A plus akarot becomes vyakarot. This outline, Prakriya Prarupam, will be useful for every student who wants to know not just the overall meaning but wants to study Padasiddhi of every Padam. Is that good? Shubhamastu.